it's Eve. Welcome back to another video, and today is pretty exciting for me because I actually get to review a brand that I really like. The brand is a cruelty-free and vegan teeth whitening brand. They are called HiSmile. You've probably heard of them before because I know I definitely did. This brand did reach out to me and send me a 6-day supply of their products. However, I would like to point out that this is not sponsored. It is not paid in any way. My opinion is my own, which is awesome because I don't want to compromise my integrity for a brand. But when this brand did reach out to me, I was pretty freaking excited because I had already considered purchasing this product. Now, before I get into the review, if you guys like teeth whitening products and you like review videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That way I know to make more videos like this. And if you haven't seen my face before, go ahead and click that subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into it. So, like I said, this brand sent me a 6-day supply and they sent it in a box that looks like this. Very cute, very on point. These colors are very much me. On the back, it lists everything that comes inside the box. So in the box, you get your LED light, HiSmile gels, the mouth tray, the results chart, and the instruction manual. Now, I've already used this product, as you can tell, as the syringes are pulled down, but this is how the box looks when you open it. So you have the LED light right here, the mouth guard right here, your syringes are up here, and then you get this little placard, and this placard is actually the instructions manual, if I can open it without hurting myself. Inside are all the instructions listed. The instructions are pretty clear. On the back, it has a little pocket, and this pocket has the teeth whitening results. When I first started, my teeth were kind of in between a 4 and a 5. So my teeth were right over here. So spoiler alert, but I think I can officially say that my teeth are now in between a 2 and a 3. So I would say that my teeth in total moved up about 2 shades lighter, which is better than I expected because I wasn't sure what to expect. I did not expect that it would get me all the way to 1. It got me pretty dang close. So let's go over the instructions really quickly. So basically what you do is you want to grab your LED light, which is super cute by the way. You want to take your mouth guard and slip it on. And then you have both sides of the mouth guard. You take the product and you want to place it on the face. So this flat part right here, that's what I'm calling the base of the mouth guard, and then the face is this part right here. So when your teeth press against it, it's pressing against this part right here. In the instructions, it says to use about 1/4 of your syringe for the top and then 1/4 of the syringe for the bottom. And that was something else that I did a little bit of research just to make sure I was reading the instructions correctly because it could be a little bit confusing. And then once the gel is on, you pop it into your mouth and then you press this little button right here. And the light activates the gel and then you sit there and you do whatever you gotta do. So just judging by this card, I kind of think that I'm in between a 4 and a 5. So I'm in my bathroom right now and I'm trying to figure out how exactly to set this all up. I'm not entirely sure. So the first thing we need to do is we need to attach these 2 pieces together. Fold it in like so. There's like little ridges on the plastic or silicone. This might be silicone. So now we have the HiSmile syringe. And if you take a look on this side right here, you can sort of see that there are numbers on it. 1/4, 2/4, or 1/2, 3/4, and 4/4. And you're supposed to use 1/4 for each side, the top and the bottom of the device. I feel like a mad scientist here. Why aren't you working? Oh, there's like literally a stopper. Okay, so take the stopper off. Ah, okay, yep, it's all happening here. I'm so afraid that it's gonna taste like butt. Oh, it smells like mint. That's a good sign. Here we go. So it says to rinse your mouth with warm water. So I wouldn't expect any super immediate result, but since it does say 10 minutes to a whiter smile, I do want to try it out and see if there's any difference. Oh, maybe it's a little whiter. I don't know, I think it's definitely looking more like a 4 than like a 5. So initial thoughts, it didn't really taste like anything. It doesn't feel like there's some weird residue on my teeth that I have to watch out for. The instructions say to bite down on the mouth clamp, and for me, I was sort of getting some jaw tension and it sort of clenched up a little bit. Just a little bit, nothing too intense. The 10 minutes went by super fast. I find that I could do a lot of activities while this is in. My favorite one was watching Netflix though, because I'm me. But what's really neat is that you don't have to watch the time for this, because after 10 minutes, the light will actually turn off by itself. It does like a beeping thing. So when the time is up, it'll do that beeping and the light will turn off, and that's when you know that it's time to take it out. It does get a little bit spitty, and then you rinse out your mouth with warm water and you're good to go. So like I said, what they sent me was a 6-day supply, and they recommend that you use this product for 6 days in a row. It's what offers the best results. And so I used this product 6 days before my Costa Rica trip. In total, my teeth lightened up 2 whole shades, and that's a big deal for me. I've used Crest White Strips in the past before I went cruelty-free. Those never really did anything for me, and it also made my teeth super sensitive. But what's great about the HiSmile kit in comparison to the Crest White Strips: 1, I had peace of mind because it's cruelty-free and vegan. 2, I had no sensitivity, which is fantastic. And 3, I actually had results. I think that sending this card with the teeth whitening kit is probably one of the most genius marketing tools, because you can actually compare your teeth. Another thing that I did not like about Crest White Strips is that the strips would kind of go all over the place. They wouldn't stay on my teeth. You had to be very still. Your spit would get everywhere. What's cool about this mouth guard is that you kind of bite down into it so it doesn't move anywhere, and the mouth guard itself blocks off and seals off the spit from dripping outside of your lips. Now that sounds really gross, but it's pretty genius. So all in all, I think this company is great. I think that the HiSmile teeth whitening kit is a great purchase. The kit is $59.99, and that's US dollars, and there's free shipping as well if you were wondering. So it's about $10 per day. If you want to purchase this particular kit, I'll go ahead and leave that link to that in the description box down below. If you guys like this video and you like this type of review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you like me, click that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Shout out to Birdie Lau for her comment. She enjoyed my Disney parks bucket list, and if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll link it in the eye right up here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.